Oh my god, my Uber driver is gonna leave without me. Why am I such a mess? Oh my god, I was gonna make a cute intro, but I am running late to a friend who I'm always late to. And I hate to be that person. So my Uber is ordered. Still don't drive. This will probably be the month that I learn how to drive. I just want to make sure that I'm like super confident in my ability to pass the test, because if I fail again, it's gonna be too scarring and I'm never gonna drive. And can you put a baby in an Uber? Because I don't think you can. And before you judge, I know it's ridiculous to not have a license and be turning 29. I thought I was gonna maybe live in New York one day, and I always stayed in LA. And you kind of, the car's here. No, no. Oh my god, okay. I can't find my beanie. I don't feel cute without my beanie. I guess I could take my gray one. I didn't even lotion or shave my legs. Okay, we're going. Okay, we got this. We got some kind of a beanie. Come on, boo-boo. Mommy has to go. Come on. All right, I just need my little, ooh, this door is open. Oh my god, my Uber driver is gonna leave without me. Why am I such a mess? Why am I always late? I woke up an hour and a half ago and I was just watching YouTube videos while getting ready. And that always makes me not keep track of time. And 1 hour Uber ride later, we made it. And I didn't even say where we're going. I'm going to get my birthday nails. I'm doing some fun gel with someone I've never been to before. This is who my friend goes to, and apparently she's like totally barbified, very Barbie-esque. So I'm gonna ask her if I can film, because it's a sight apparently.
Like her YouTube thing? And she had cow nails. Yay.
Hang on, this is so cool. But I wanted to show you guys my finished nails. Is that you or your dog?
Do you think that's me? I'm just curious.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Wait, is it really good?
It is, look at it. It's
Oh my
really
god,
good.
look at my highlight.
Looks good. What is it?
Dior.
Which one? You don't know.
I don't know. Oh my god, you can see my zit. Oh my god, I had my broken nail. I'm a mess. Reality versus Instagram.
But you still look good, you're just missing one.
Well, it looks like my thumb is broken.
Wait, how do I pose?
Pose like,
Oh
that.
my god. I'm so into it.
It looks so cool.
It's
on
perfect
video.
for like a birthday special design thing. And just like that, I am home. It is the next day. It is currently 8:30 a.m. My whole nail experience was kind of a mission that took like 5 hours, and I did not prep a snack beforehand. And I'm about to get my hair done, some hair extensions out, a little bit of light highlight and low light, possibly a cut. I'm expecting probably like another 5-hour appointment. So we're gonna get some snacks together and we're gonna eat, because I don't want to be a broken record or anything, but I haven't mentioned it in this vlog. I am currently officially today 22 weeks pregnant, which means I like to consume a lot of food. The thing I'm gonna eat right now is gonna be a bagel with cream cheese. My aversions are to anything healthy, and my cravings are bread and chocolate and fruit. I have never been someone who has not been into eating healthy, salads and veggies, and I don't know, I've just always had like a balanced diet. Green juice to me tasted good. Pretty much anything that's like a healthy option, I am not into. I want Nutella, I want other chocolate. I've been doing a lot of smoothies. I've been showing you guys on Instagram for like the past, I feel like almost 2 months, my smoothies here and there. I've tried fruit ones, green ones, protein ones, vanilla ones, and you know, I like to do a mix. The one I'm having today isn't even really a smoothie, but it's like legit the easiest thing you can. It is TEAMI Greens Superfood. And usually if I have the time, I would make a smoothie with like almond milk, banana, ice, and that's it. But my time today is very limited, so I just mixed it up in here with some almond milk, shook it up, and I can bring this with me to my appointment. This I feel like is just a really sneaky way to get your greens in, because like I said, I cannot really function a salad right now. This has 16 superfoods in it. The star ingredients being the matcha, spirulina, and the wheatgrass. Like, there is no green flavor. It is very matcha, and matcha does have caffeine. And yes, I am pregnant. I am not 100% eliminating caffeine in my life. That would eliminate my craving of Coca-Cola, and that's not going to happen. But this only has 30 milligrams of caffeine, which is like less than half of what's in a tall Starbucks coffee. And yes, I do want to clarify that I took this item to my OBGYN. I had it cleared. Whether you are pregnant or not pregnant, have a medical condition, with anything, dietary supplement, vitamin, mineral you're putting into your body, ask your doctor that it's not going to interfere with anything you have going on, just in case. And the taste, if you're wondering, it's like a very light hint matcha flavor, which is kind of like a nutty, lightly earthy, sweet flavor. It's nothing like a green juice, which I used to love. I don't get it. Now it's just like dirt and worms. A big thank you to TEAMI for sponsoring today's video. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link in the description. I'm going to now finish packing my lunchbox for getting my hair done. I've been telling my husband for like a year that that's crooked. Am I right or am I right? Because that's crooked. All right, we gotta go in like 10 minutes or we're gonna be late, and I cannot be late 2 days in a row. So next time I see you, I'll have new hair or be at a salon. So for the color, do you think, like, I'm debating on how much dark to bring down and how much light to bring up.
Let me take all the extensions out
and then
see where you're at.
Okay.
Because if your dark is pretty low, I might not even have to
bring any down.
Bring any dark down. I could just like kind of do like a baby light in between there.
Are you doing a little?
I'm gonna do a little the sad boomerang. Like, you know, like the, cause like the black
hole. I always see you do that. Do you think we need to tone this color, or do you think it'll just naturally like?
I'll probably tone everything together. Like once I pull up your highlights, we'll blend everything together.
Okay.
Are you feeling like too warm, too cool, too?
I don't know. I just feel like I'm over the tone a little bit. We are bringing down my own color with a low light, and then we're doing like pops of blonde for like a little baby light, a little brightness around my root, and like all throughout. Like we did foil like everywhere. And now we just have to let this sit, and I will show you the finished product. And 5 hours later, I think this is the most natural my hair has ever been in probably a decade. We have no extensions. We have so much of my natural color showing through with like a little pop of a money piece highlights. But I think this is gonna be really good and fresh and easy to grow out and have a baby, which is where I'm at right now. And I am back home. I'm actually filming my transformation video today. I do it every Wednesday, and it being 22 weeks, I had to document the bump. I cannot believe it is stretching. I am feeling the stretch. I was feeling a lot of kicks. It is insane. But I don't want to make another pregnancy video out of this vlog, because tomorrow is my birthday, which is when I will see you. Good morning. I just woke up. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but it's my birthday. Look how cute this is. So hold on, let me get out of frame because I'm scary right now. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god. Cutest. All I wanted for my birthday. Oh my god. Thank you, babe. Oh my god. This is so good. It's like a little happy pillow. Guys, I feel like it's been forever since I've done something beauty related, like makeup related. I've done beauty, but not like a makeup tutorial. And to be honest, it's just because I haven't been feeling like makeup pretty. Like I've been feeling pretty, but not makeup ready. Like, my skin just hasn't been there. It's been really dry throughout this pregnancy, but I thought, let's do some glam. I have this whole box of new products I've been wanting to try. Like, I want to really try the Blendiful. I've had this for like 2 weeks yet and I still haven't tried it. Tatcha just came out with a liquid skin canvas. Let's try this. We only have like 30 minutes for glam, and when that happens and I want to still do glam, I can't mess with eyeshadow, so I do something that's like 50s, not retro, but a red lip and wing liner. This primer is so unusual. It really is like silky. Let's open this Blendiful. Ooh, the little heart one, cute. And then there's Big Daddy. Actually, you know what? I gotta do my wing liner first because I can't talk during that and I just need it out of the way. I think that's not bad for 5-minute eyes. Let's do the face. My good old trusty NARS, way too much, Sheer Glow Foundation. So the plan for today, well, I think you saw the Krispy Kreme adventure. I'm getting ready to do Break LA. I think if you watch The Bachelor or Bachelorette, you would have seen it. It was on, I think, last season. It's just a place where you can like destroy stuff. For me, like, I think I've cried like twice during this pregnancy. I've definitely had a lot more rage and anger as my hormone, which I didn't even know was like a thing. And I'm very surprised that you can do Break LA pregnant, but I asked. They said it's fine. We can just go in, throw some plates, throw some cups, inviting a group of friends, and we're just gonna, you know, mess shit up. For lips, we are almost done. I'm using MAC lip liner in Brick and NARS lipstick in Don't Stop. Oh, I forgot how pretty this is. I have not used hot rollers in probably 5 years, so I'm really nervous. I just wanted like full hair. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Maybe I should have put them in all of my hairs. That one's not cute. That one's not cute. That one's cute. Ugh. Let me finesse this a bit and be right back, because right now I look like I'm your mom, who's also a news anchor. Still not satisfied with the hair. I don't quite know how to style my short hair yet. I need ideas. And I don't know what I'm wearing yet. I will show you what I'm wearing. This is kind of just a lounging. It's actually my birthday gift from Cody. It's just this super oversized t-shirt dress. Like, it looks like a vintage t-shirt, but it could be a dress. I have pregnancy shorts underneath, and I just have my slippers on, which are now horrifically dirty. Everyone's been asking. They are, ooh, that's not a good angle. That is pretty much it, because I am 10 minutes late. This video should just be every single day. Brittany is perpetually 10 minutes late. But thank you so much for joining me on my birthday, my last birthday as no kids, which is crazy. And I don't even think I mentioned I'm 29. Hopefully I look younger. Hopefully you thought this was like my 23rd birthday. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Alright, when are you ready? Go out there?